Marley, do you want to tell everybody how much you've been crying? Say, oh, I've been screaming at everyone in my family all day long. Do you want to smile? Do you want to smile? Hi. Hi, pretty girl. Hi, beautiful. Do you want to do arms up? Oh no, would you rather go back to crying? Grumpy. Oh, maybe if we jiggle all day for the rest of the day, there will be no more tears. Do you think we should keep doing this? Jiggle. Is this good? Is this better? Marley has a little bit of a grumpy period. She's been grumpy for like 3 days, maybe more. She likes to cry. Huh, Marley? Say, crying is my favorite. Jiggle. Hopefully we don't jiggle until we puke. Oh, hiccups. Hiccups make me angry, huh? Yeah, you get angry when you have hiccups? Nope. Nope. Two baby toes. Hi, toes. Oh, did I stop jiggling? Marley, I need to make dinner. Can I make dinner today?